Okay, we're flying the T28 in a little wind today. See how she does. Yep, a little windy. Get some altitude, bring her around. There's a downwind. Yeah, she's cruising. Come on back, airplane. Not bad. Wind's gusting about 9. Landing's going to be fun. There's a loop. Let her roll. That's pretty good. Uh-oh. Another loop. Make her roll again. Okay. Going back, airplane. There's the downwind. Going pretty fast. Let's try a landing. Pull the power off. Come on, give it a little power. You want to land with power. Not bad. Not bad with a 9-mile-an-hour wind, a 5-ounce airplane. Very good. The T28 Micro.